Welcome to La Germania Mamma Mia recipe of the week. Today we're bringing you a refreshing and delicious pasta primavera salad, perfect for any occasion. Let's get started. For this recipe, you will need 400 grams of pasta fusilli, penne or farfalle, 250 grams of cherry tomatoes, halved 1 red bell pepper, diced 1 yellow bell pepper, diced 1 green bell pepper, diced 100 grams of black olives, sliced 100 grams of green olives, sliced 1 small red onion, thinly sliced 100 grams of fresh mozzarella, cubed fresh basil and parsley for garnish, and half a cup of Italian dressing. Start by bringing a large pot of salted water to a boil. Add the pasta and cook according to the package instructions until al dente. Drain and rinse with cold water to stop the cooking process. If you prefer homemade dressing, whisk together half a cup of extra virgin olive oil, a quarter cup of red wine vinegar, 1 minced garlic clove, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon of dried basil, half a teaspoon of mustard, half a teaspoon of sugar, and a pinch of salt and pepper. In a large mixing bowl, add the cooked pasta, cherry tomatoes, diced bell peppers, sliced olives, and red onion. Pour the Italian dressing over the pasta and vegetables. Toss gently to combine. Next, add the fresh mozzarella cubes, torn basil leaves, and chopped parsley. Toss everything gently to combine and season with salt and pepper to taste. Cover the salad and refrigerate for at least 1 hour to let the flavors meld together. And there you have it, a delightful pasta primavera salad, straight from Mama's kitchen to your table. Serve chilled and enjoy this refreshing dish with your loved ones. Buon appetito! Thanks for joining us!